perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the ending and there's no ascending rise. Oh, back when I was younger.
Say something. See how you do a vlog.
We're at Lake Como.
That's not good.
There's nothing to say.
Tune in next week. I'm about to fly my drone.
Get ready for this weekly vlog.
The dog got my case.
Like 2 years ago.
This doesn't look like the best place to fly, but there's not a lot of people, and I'm cool with that because I feel like you're not allowed to fly here. There's a lot of airplanes that come, but I'm doing it for the vlog, you know. We'll see. It's hot. It's really hot. I'm at 55%.
Is that good or bad?
Cause I don't see what they see when they stare at me. I see a window, a limit's a limit, and not at all.
The wind took it, so he has to go get it all the way over there. Coming back? God. Oh, I see it.
If you could
I lost my drone. I think I have the footage. Very sad. I don't know how I did it.
Oh, get that. Oh my God.
I lost my drone in the water. It was a sad day. Very sad. Very, very sad. Bad news, I just lost my drone. And I lost like 3 events worth of drone footage. I'm a little upset. But I can upgrade my drone. Huh? Where? Alright, I'm ready to go back to fucking Como. I don't like Lake Como, bad memories.
Can you take pictures of me?
Yeah, take pictures.
Get.
This duck likes me.
No, it likes me. It's actually in front of me.
Here he comes.
Get.
Jump.
No. No.
It's
get.
coming. It's coming. Yeah. Finally. Alright. We in here. Finally. After 3 years. That was a tiny bite.